We're going to remodel the front of the house. We're going to replace the windows, doors, garage doors, and all the siding and gutters. The walkway is going to be redesigned, and we're going to be installing new bluestone. The brick veneer is going to come off of the wall, and then all the soffits and gutters will be redone. And we're going to be using hardy board planks. It's going to be a all total different new look for the house. We completed this project in Woodbury, New York. We remodeled the entire house, the exterior finish with the hardy board planks for the siding, and we used the pine wood for the soffits and painted it in white, and also the roof was done with the slate gray timber ridge roof and aluminum gutters. Windows are block coated on the outside, and the whole house was painted in white. We also did the bluestone entranceway and walkway to the driveway. We installed the new garage doors, all new windows and doors, and the light fixtures, and also the deck was all refinished with cedar. Another happy customer in Woodbury, Nassau County, Long Island.